everyone, Anne here, and I'm going to show you how to add a post to Pinterest using a link. So let's get started. It's simple. If I want to post this product on Pinterest using its link, what do? Here on Pinterest, you'll click on the three dots, go ahead and click, then click the Create Pin option. You'll be taken to this page. On this page, as you can see, you have the option to drag a product, a photo, and so on. But further down, you have the option to save from a URL. So that's what you're going to click. You'll come to this page. Now, what do? Go to the product you want to create a Pinterest post for. On the product page, click the URL with your left mouse button. Now right-click to copy it. Go back to Pinterest and paste it here. You can press Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-click to paste. Once the link is pasted, click the arrow. Okay, Pinterest has already searched and found the product photos. If you want to create more than one post, you can select more than one product photo. For example, if I select this one and this one, it means I'll be making two different posts, okay? So if I just want one pin, I want to make one post on Pinterest for this product, I select the photo. Once it's selected, click here to add one pin. If you select two photos, as you can see here, the number of pins will increase to 2 pins, and so on. I'm just going to leave one and click Add. Now I'm on the page where I can configure the post. Here, you can simply create your own title, or you can just come over here and copy the title of the product you want to post and paste it here. In the description, you can also write an optimized description. I'm not going to write one, I'm just showing you how to do it. So I'll just put a hashtag here to show it's an ad. In this case, if you're doing an affiliate promotion, this is necessary. You have to include it. And the link is already here. As you can see, the image isn't in the ideal format, but if you're making the post using a link, Pinterest will pull the images that are on that link, okay? So there's no way for you to create something, for example, in Canva, something more professional. So you'll have to use the image that was already on the website. Now, you just come here, you can choose a board you have to put this product on and make the post. I'm going to leave it on the eBay board since it's an eBay product. And you just have to click here to publish. I'll click it. There, as you can see, I've just published it. I just added a post to Pinterest using a link. The product's link. There's an option here for you to promote and an option for you to see the pin you just created. It's here. You can like it. You can comment. Anyway, that's it. I hope this helped. If it did, don't forget to help out too and subscribe to the channel.